Hey guys, what's up? This is Dr. J right here, just recording a video live in class. I have my esteemed colleagues with me, okay? So I'm not alone. And the point of this video is just to record a quick video to show everybody how this is done. So one of the things that I'll demonstrate here is that I don't just have to record, through the camera. I can go to any old page. And if I want a student to learn how to do a problem, I can annotate directly on the page, right? So which is a unit of acceleration? So remember, a unit of acceleration is a unit that has built into it a change in velocity over a change in time, right? Because that's acceleration. And what that means is we've got distance over time, because that's velocity, and then again over time. Okay, and I'll just put brackets around that because that makes it more comfortable for me. And so distance over time, well, shoot, that's meter per second squared, okay? So super convenient for me to annotate through really anything that's on the page at any point in time. And if I want to clear that off, I can quit my annotation really quickly. And let's say I want to talk to somebody about what's on this graph, right? Okay, well now I can just use my Surface Book and zoom in on the graph. I can go back over here, I can annotate, and now I can explain to people that because these curves all wind up at the same point, even though these curves represent people taking different paths or different routes to get somewhere, every single person who took one of those paths had the same average velocity, okay? And that's something we can discuss more in class. So now I'm gonna back out of this, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna demonstrate the digital whiteboard function. So if I want to use my digital whiteboard, boom, there it is, right? If I feel so it's annotating right now, I'll undo the annotation feature. I'll maximize it. Now it's the whole screen, right? And I can go ahead and give us a video lecture, right? How to, oh, you know what? This is taking a lot of time. I don't want your video to be too long. Let me pause this. Okay, so now what I've done is I've gone ahead and I've prepared the whiteboard so that, you'll just be ready to go, right? You won't have to suffer through me writing a bunch of things. And I can even start filling out this entire whiteboard with more and more things, right? And I may want to say what I'm writing out loud as I write it, or I may just want to get a bunch of stuff down on the page and then talk about it as you write about it all on one page that just pops up for you, okay? So now that I'm done with that, what I want to do is demonstrate that I have to optimize for video. If I go to show you something from, let's say, YouTube. So if I want you to see this film on YouTube, I have to optimize for video. And then now I can play back
result in more human behavior.
That's going to work for you.
We'd be creating a Frankenstein.
Okay? And so those are the main things that I do with Zoom and video recording on my computer.